Buffet Tyler. This is where they're going to be spending the winter. Thanks for sleeping. Look at Moose. New Moose. Not Storm anymore. So bright. Hey, Velvet. You good girl? Where's Tyler? Hey, Monkfoot. Chanelly. Hi now. Oh, Chanel, you always look cold. See if there's any cocoa. Oh, some eggs. More eggs. Somebody trying to lay some eggs. Hey, Tyler. You doing? Molting boy? Oh. Go through a little door here. Oh, who's that? Frankie. These are horse stalls that have been converted. So, should be nice and cozy for the winter. Alright. So bye-bye. Well, that's Mr. Dust Bath there in the corner. Why are you complaining? Tyler, what are you trying to do? Hey, Peaches. Good girl, Peaches. Good girl. Say bye-bye, Tyler.